guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to yet another video. Yeah, ordered something from these guys again, 24MX XL Motos. Let's saw they got a couple of stuff. Last time I ordered the Puch, somebody who pronounced it as Puch windscreen, and yeah, ordered something else. Last video I had some cops. Cops looking at me with the SUPERDURO, and it doesn't have a front light. So that's what's going to happen today. I got a front light for the SUPERDURO. So the SUPERDURO trip was a little bit sketchy with the cops not having front light, and yeah, it's kind of illegal to not have a front light. And I was in a weird spot at a weird place, and I have no idea why the cop was over there. I guess he needed to take a poop or a piss. Anyway, let's unbox this. So make sure you guys subscribe, because, well, I'm going to work with KTM and I'm gonna do a lot more reviews. So it's KTM, that's also Husqvarna. That's why I'm wearing my Husqvarna gear. KTM, Husqvarna and Gas. So I'll be working with them, doing some more reviews of, well, all the latest new KTM models. That's a good thing. Really enjoying that, really looking forward to that. So first thing I'm probably gonna get is the SUPERDUke Adventure R or S, and compared with my 2020 GT, something like that, or maybe the Enduro off-road models and things like that. So make sure you subscribe. There's a lot more of this kind of content coming up. Now let's get back to the SUPERDURO. As a YouTuber, you kind of develop this skill that you can open things with one hand and hold the camera with the other hand. It's like some kind of skill. So yeah, I only bought this light just in case if a cop pulls me over and he's like, dude, this bike really looks like, well, if you look at it from the front, it looks like a dirt bike without a light. And it looks kind of muscular, like it's on steroids or something like that. So yeah, probably gonna pull me over and ask some questions and be a total dick about not having a front light. And if he tells me, dude, you don't have a front light, well, I'm gonna put this one on. This is IP67, so that means it is shock and water resistant, 18 watts, 1030 volts, 1080 lumen. Yeah, if I'm gonna shine this into his face, he's probably gonna get blind. So let's open it up. Yeah, let's just forget about that one-handed YouTuber skill and let's open it up with two hands. This is getting ridiculous. So it is it is kind of big. I didn't really expect it to be this size. I thought it was like 50% smaller, but yeah, we gotta use it now because it was like 47 or 48 euros. So it's not that cheap to send back. Anyway, let's. I'm not really sure where I have to put it on. So let's try some stuff. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mount it. Holy cow, this is still dirty as hell. Really needs some good cleaning. So I'm gonna mount it over here, something like that. Gonna drill a hole there and gonna try, and I think that's like the best position. Somewhere in here is gonna be shaky. I think this is going to be, it's going to be perfect. This is just some hard plastic, so it's gonna work just fine. And if I want to sell this bike at some point, I want to make it back original, this is not that expensive, right? A drill hole in it. I don't really like drilling holes in KTM parts, but you know, gotta do what you gotta do, right? Every good thing in life comes with 2 holes, so I made one in the bottom and one on top. It's looking kind of decent. What do you guys think? Like, I mean, looks kind of aggressive. It's not how I really wanted it to be, but yeah, you gotta do something if you want to be road legal, you know? You don't want to pay for those tickets, right? Oh boy, and like these nuts and bolts are like, god damn it, you gotta chuck it in, and then you gotta play with that little bolt over there until that one hops on, and then use this little wrench that's not really fitting any of the bolts, and you gotta, oh man, it's not that, yeah, I know. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I don't really like it. I don't really hate it. It's like, I don't know. I mean, it's, you don't, you need to, I mean, it's not the end of the world, right? It's like, it's just a light, it's some LEDs. It's probably gonna keep me safe and take me home when it's dark. I should do a dark ride with this beast. Probably gonna call the cops on me again, but yeah, you know. So yeah, like a typical me situation. I dropped one of these 2 nuts, bolts that have to go in those holes. You know, when there's like this dude sleeping on this forklift, or hits like one little post in a warehouse and like the whole warehouse comes down, that's my life in a nutshell. You know, like when I drop one bolt, probably gonna drop another one and slip and slide and fall on my face and things like that. Anyway, it's oh god dang it. It's a lot of light. Bright light. Bright light. I was going to make it dark in here, but I kind of forgot we got these windows in the gate, so yeah, it's not really dark. But I'm pretty sure when it's dark, it's going to give a lot of light. And of course, you guys know that I am smart as hell, so I put it on my high beam light switch. That is the one right over here, so I can flash the light like that. And when I normally ride it, it is off. And of course, KTM also made like this. You can turn it the other way, and then it's on. So I can flicker it, annoy people driving from the other side. I can put it on, and I can put it off. Damn, I'm smart. And of course, gotta do some more electrical wiring stuff, but I'm not gonna bore you guys with that. That would be just like, nah. And I know it's hard to say, but I'm gonna leave you guys behind. See you guys in the next video. I'm gonna hop back on my Harley Pedalson. That's my Harley Pedalson. And see you guys in the next video. Make sure you subscribe, because like I said, more KTM vids coming, Husqvarna also too. God damn it, the farmer's back. So I'm gonna close this video. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and let me know in the comments what you think of that LED light on the SUPERDURO. Sorry about that. See you guys later. Peace.